Do female dogs ever stop going into heat? This is a common question many dog owners ask, especially those considering breeding or simply wanting to understand their pet's reproductive cycle better. First, let's clarify what going into heat means for dogs. When a female dog goes into heat, also known as estrus, she becomes fertile and ready to mate. This is a natural part of a dog's reproductive cycle and typically occurs twice a year for most breeds. Now, to answer the main question, yes, dogs do eventually stop going into heat, but this doesn't happen until much later in their lives. Unlike humans who experience menopause, dogs do not have a distinct end to their reproductive cycle at a specific age. Most female dogs will continue to go into heat throughout their entire lives. However, the frequency and intensity of these cycles may change as they age. Younger dogs tend to have more regular and pronounced heat cycles, while older dogs might experience less frequent or irregular cycles. It's important to note that the age at which a dog's heat cycles become less frequent or stop entirely can vary greatly depending on the individual dog and its breed. Some smaller breeds might continue to have regular cycles well into their senior years, while larger breeds might see a decline in frequency earlier. The most common reason for a dog to stop going into heat is spaying. This surgical procedure removes the ovaries and uterus, effectively ending the dog's reproductive cycle. Many veterinarians recommend spaying for various health and behavioral benefits, as well as to prevent unwanted pregnancies. For unspayed dogs, heat cycles typically begin to slow down or become irregular, around 7 to 10 years of age. However, it's crucial to remember that even older dogs can still become pregnant if not spayed, so proper precautions should always be taken. In summary, while dogs do not experience a sudden stop to their heat cycles like human menopause, they do eventually slow down or stop going into heat in their later years. The exact timing varies by individual and breed. Spaying remains the most definitive way to end a dog's heat cycles, and is often recommended for various health and practical reasons.